Okonkwo Minor Mountain, and the immediate members of the Benin family. The choir members only, the security personnel, please take note. The security personnel, please take note. Only the choir members, the immediate members of the Benin family, and the clergy, and in camera, go ahead. These are the only people that we allow for. Please, only the members of the choir, the clergy. I can see Mrs. Anne Okonkwo, Mrs. Jumbo, Lolo, Chief and Lolo Jumbo Okonkwo, Jumbo of Omoma, a glory Omoma in Old East local government area of Imo State. Yes, all here na only papia, all here ngonyere na somebody begin to rule 92 years, 99 years, or easy. So whatever you have been offered here, one area, whatever that you have been served, please eat it very, very well. The age is not in the internet. There is no way you can browse 99 years, or easy. Always yada, always celebrate papaya, Mrs. Lolo Jumbo Okonkwo. Can see the undertakers, the cameramen, doing exactly what they know how to do very well. Straight to the graveyard. Please take it easy. You are carrying a Royal Highness Eze Emmanuel N. Okoli, the only one of Ekeyi Kingdom, from the Pontifical Funeral Mass at St. Philomena's Catholic Church, Lokosi Obiago, Omochieze, Umunoshi, local government area of Abia State. We welcome all the clergy who officiated the funeral mass. You are all welcome to the families of Eze Emmanuel N. Okoli, JP. The compound might not contain most of Libya, so just few persons will be allowed to enter the gate, please. The security man, please take note. Comrades, Honorable Moses Ezabam Ugala, you're welcome, sir, all the way from Omoma. Very soon we shall be handing over the microphone to the clergy. His Royal Highness Eze Emmanuel N. Okoli JP, anyone of any kingdom, going back to the Mother Earth. Please, for those of you dropping in, this is only for few members, most especially the choir members, the clergy, and the immediate bereaved family members. Please, the security, take control. Very Reverend Engineer Chido Keke, you're welcome, Father. You're welcome. Thank you, members of Jukebox Entertainment, all the way from Enugu, making it loud and clear. We'll hand over the microphone to the clergy. Thank you. Very Reverend Engineer. Okay.
Jesu Kristi ịnọrọ n'ime ili mkpụrụ ụbọchị 3 wee setụ a gọzie ili ndị niile kwere na gị. Anyị na-ayọ gị biko gọzie ini nke a ka nwa odibo gị bụ papa anyị Eze Emmanuel Nwafọ Okoli nwee ike ịnọ n'azụ ike na ndokwa. Anyị na-ayọ gị nke a site na Kristi dị n'anyị. Ugbu a anyị ga-adọnye ahụ papa anyị Eze Emmanuel Nwafọ Okoli n'ala ka ọ na-aghachi ebe o si pụta. Anyị na-eme nke a n'ihi na ọ masịrị Chineke ji ike niile isi na ndụ nke a pụrụ ịnwa mkpọrọkwa nwa odibo ya. Kristi bụ onye mbụ nke si n'ọnwụ bilie. Ọ bụkwa onye ga-eme ka ahụ anyị nke a dara ada wee gbanwee ihe nke ebisiri. N'ihi nke a anyị na-etinye ahụ papa anyị n'aka Chineke ka ọ nara ya n'udo nke ya, mekwa ka ahụ a bilie ọzọ n'ụbọchị ikpetemazụ. Just stop and stand. Good one, everybody. Ndị niile kpu okpu n'isi wepụ okpu gị. Ụmụ agbọghọ ndị ga-ewere isi ha oge chọọ ihe tụkwasị n'isi gị. Onye nwe anyị mee ebere. Kristi mee ebere. Onye nwe anyị mee ebere. Na anyị nọ n'eluigwe.
Anyị kpee ekpere maka Eze Emmanuel Nwafọ Okoli ka anyị rịọ ọnụ dị nwe na Jesu Kristi onye kwuru sị mụ onwe m bụ mbilite n'ọnwụ na ndụ. Onye ọbụla kwere na m, ọ bụrụ na asị na ọ nwụrụ anwụ, ọ ga-adị ndụ ọzọ. Onye ọbụla nke na-adị ndụ, nke na-ekwekwe na mụ, agaghị anwụ ma ọlị wee ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Ihe anyị ga-aza bụ, anyị na-arịọ gị nụrụ olu anyị, zaanụ ya. Ka gị onye gbara anya mmiri n'ihi ọnwụ Lazarus hichaa anyị anya mmiri, anyị na-arịọ gị Kristi. Ka gị onye kpaghachiri ndị nwụrụ anwụ na ndụ, nwa odibo gị bụ eze Emmanuel Nwafọ Okoli ndụ ebebe, anyị na-arịọ gị Kristi. Eji oriri nsọ nke ahụ gị na ọbara gị were zụọ eze Emmanuel, ka inyenụ ya oche na nnukwu oriri nke alaeze gị, anyị na-arịọ gị Kristi. Eji mmiri nsọ nke baptizim wụchapụ nwa odibo gị bụ eze Emmanuel Nwafọ Okoli njọ ya, werekwa mmanụ nsọ gbaa ya ume ka ịkpọbata ya n'otu ndị nsọ gị, anyị na-arịọ gị dị nwenụ. Anyị nọ n'uru n'ihi nwa odibo gị bụ eze Emmanuel Nwafọ Okoli, ka anyị jiri okwukwe na olileanya nke ndụ ebebe kasie onwe anyị obi, anyị na-arịọ gị dị nwenụ.
Onye nwe anyị, ụzọ ebere abụọ ka anyị na-arịọ ka imere nwa odibo gị na papa anyị bụ eze Emmanuel Nwafọ Okoli. Nke mbụ, nwa odibo gị nwere oke imehie bụ uche gị, ekwela ka ọ daba n'ahụ dịrị mmehie ya. Nke abụọ, mgbe nwa odibo gị biri n'ụwa, ezi omume bụ ihe jikọrọ ya ndị na-ekwere nụ. Mee ka ebere gị sikwa otu a jikọ ya na ndị mmụọ ozi n'ụwa ọzọ. Anyị na-arịọ gị nke a site na Kristi dị nwe n'anyị. Nye ya ezumike ebighị ebi, o onye nwe anyị. Ka mkpụrụ obi ya zuo ike na ndokwa. O Chukwu, anyị na-arịọ ebe anyị na-akwa arịrị maka ọnwụ nke nwa odibo gị na papa anyị bụ eze Emmanuel Nwafọ Okoli, ka anyị na-echeta mgbe niile ọnwụ nke anyị na-abịawanye nso. Nye anyị grasị iji kwado maka ụbọchị ikpeazụ a, si n'ibi ndụ dị mma, ka ọnwụ mberede na ọnwa akwado akwado ghara ikwudo anyị, kama ka anyị na-eche nche oge niile ka ọ ga-abụ mgbe ọbụla ị kpọrọ anyị, anyị enwe ike iso banye na aṅụrị ebe ebe site na Kristi dị nwe n'anyị. Ka Maria nne nke Chukwu, nne dịkasịrị obi ebere, onye ntasị obi ndị na-eru uju, anyị n'aka nwa ya mkpụrụ obi nwa odibo ya eze Emmanuel Nwafọ Okoli, onye nke hapụgoro ụwa nke a, ka o si na ekpere ya dịka nne nwee ike iru ọsọ ọsọ n'ebe obibi ahụ anyị niile na-atụ anya maka eluigwe site na Kristi dị nwe n'anyị. Papa, ọ masịrị Chineke dị ike niile kpọrọ ka ọ nara mkpụrụ obi gị na ndokwa. Aha gị, ma nwa, na mmụọ nsọ. First Vice Chairman, Onakwanso.
Mama Muche.
Momento. Nigel. Onye isi ndị nne. Onye isi ndị nne. Onye isi ndị youth. Onye isi ndị youth. Kedu oge eze? Onye n'ime ndị ụmụ ya nọ na rekọd. Onye na ndị ọgọ ya Chisom tinye aka kpochibere anyị ụmụ okorobịa Praise God. Praise God. With due respect and honor to my departed father, who is being committed to the Mother Earth right now, I have the privilege on behalf of my brother, Sri Onirabuchi Okoli, to read this memory. As we know of our father, death is the irreducible common denominator of all men. The innocent die and the guilty likewise. Kings die and the common man too. According to Martin Luther King Jr., today we gathered here to celebrate the King of Ekeni, Obiakulekwesi Umucheze, the son of the great Okolude in the larger and foremost Udewe Boshu, Umike family, a name that is heard from a distance. In the month of June 1920, a great voice was heard in the arms of late Jen Iyewa Okoli Agotora, one of the Okoli's wives, a beautiful woman, a singer, and a strong and enterprising woman. She was very generous and kind and lived her life to the tune of 115 years, a fulfilled life and a happy life, and she was heading to the end in 2001. Her husband Okolude, who
died in 1959, was known for his greatness and achievement. At the time when the number of cows and the palms of yams one house was the yardstick for weight, Okoli was said to have outnumbered weight itself. For his yams were really uncountable, and the cows were counted in dozens without exaggeration. Okoli was very diplomatic and visionary. Though education was rare, only lazy people were said to go to school then. At the time, Isuochi people and some other neighboring villages carried their buses on the head to trek across Obiagwe King. Our people will laugh at them as lazy people. And when this fell through, Okoli knew that the leadership of tomorrow shall soon be rested on the shoulders of the educated. He sent his son, Waf Emmanuel Okoli, to school at St. Teresa's Catholic School, Okibe, where he obtained his Standard 6 certificate in 1949. From where he moved forth in developing the genius in him. In 1956, he already obtained teacher's grade 3 certificate from Mount St. Mary's TTC Azara Ebulu Ebekuku Owerri, a journey he covered often with a bicycle, as he was the first born to ride a bicycle in a cave, and later to be the first to ride a power bike also, and the first to build a house with a zinc sheet in the village. His bicycle, popularly called chopper, was the type only seen around big men, children, and the British of the era. The zeal for education and learning did not end with the bicycle effect to Owerri. He extended his course to England on scholarship. Here in London, in the National College of Salesmanship, England, Emmanuel Okoli utilized the opportunity to be the first student of the said school for legacy. He obtained diploma certificate in salesmanship, sales management. Sales management, market research and advertising. He did not stop his inquiry in London. Rather, after his return to Nigeria, the federal government of Nigeria sponsored his man-o-war boycotts on citizenship and community development in Victoria, Southern Cameroon, course 57. I am greater than all my contemporaries, so great said, not because of what I know, but because of what I seek to know, which they did not seek. These statements inspired Emmanuel Okoli further into more areas of learning, that with the qualification he already had, he was still eager and disposed for more knowledge. Then he went into the Eastern Region Cooperative College in 1960-61, where he obtained certificate in cooperative studies at intermediate level. After that, was sponsored by the Eastern Nigeria Development Corporation (ENDC) and Allied Workers Union Aba to a trade union college, Kampala, Uganda, in 1962 and 1963. He further obtained certificate on national and international seminars on trade union and industrial and human relations. We all die. The goal is not to live forever. The goal is to create something that will. His Royalness as Emmanuel Okoli JP, the Omoka Chairman of Umucheze, is a legacy in itself. A name that cannot be oversighted in the history of legacy of Umucheze, of Umunuj, and of Abia State, Nigeria. Stories of great men are often told from the back, that is from the end. Indeed, it is from its end, or what seems to be the end, the climax. As a leader, he was also a father and a teacher. A judge, he was also an attorney and a solicitor. As a king, he was also an advisor and a counselor. All these are more characteristics where his actor and all who knew him told the same story. From when he taught at the Catholic mission of Okibe Parish after standing on as oil mill clerk, account clerk grade 2, and at the corporation Enugu, the same testimonies to a great leader and the people's man, Emmanuel. Every hamlet has need of an ethnic council in which he brought His Royal Highness Eze E.N. Okoli, then as a clerk of Oyini, thought of bringing the investment home. And so he single-handedly bought and sponsored the planting of today's legacy palm plantation located at Asaba, Obiagu Legacy. 1. To help secure the land against invaders and to establish empowerment scheme and industry for his people. As a senior storekeeper, Grade 1 Eastern Stores Aba, Sterling Product Nigeria Limited, Lagos, and the store supervisor and purchasing officer, Continental Medical Complex, Oji River, people told of his generosity and free medical scheme to people and strangers also. His excellencies and prudences at work earned him the first and only African storekeeper manager from the rank of a senior store supervisor in French Road Nigeria Limited, Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway. At this position too, he was always carrying his people along, encouraging them to go to school and giving out scholarship to many. Today and here, so many of us are his beneficiaries. His generosity was so obvious that the then King of Umucheze led His Royal Majesty Eze Rubeno Obali, the Cheze II of the Grand Umucheze Ancient Kingdom in 1985, installed him as Omokachie I of Umucheze Ancient Kingdom, of which he became the Executive Secretary to the Umucheze Council of Traditional Rulers and Chiefs until his death. Omokachie simply means a chain giver, generous not predicated on the appreciation of the earlier benefit, but gives more and more upon the ones he has given. Until his death, the Church of Legacy will testify how generous he has been. Omokachie I did not grow too late to lead. As a youth, he founded the Legacy Youth Progressive Association. An association, he gathered the youth and enlightened them on the need to work together to achieve progress in the community through peaceful coexistence, hard work, and especially education. Between 1981 and 1985, Okoli Emmanuel was a member Imo State Public Enlightenment Committee on Government Activities, President Legacy Cooperative Farm Limited, the Okigwe District Secretary ENPC and Allied Workers Union. 1965 to 1967, 65 and 1979, he was an Administrative Secretary General ENPC and Allied Workers Union. 1979 to 1981, he was the regional chairman, senior staff association of Metallic and Non-Metallic Association of Nigeria, and so many other public positions he held, and thanks to his capability, experience, and prudence. He, however, showed up also in the national and state politics, where as far back as 1959, he was elected a councillor, Okigwe North County Council, and later appointed councillor in Squatter Okigwe Local Government. And in March 1996, on non-party basis, he was elected to the same seat. By 1998, he was a party auditor and UNCP executive member Umunochi Local Government. The Abia State Government, having satisfied the quality of his conduct and the eminency of his character, appointed Nze Emmanuel Okoli, as he was known then, the Justice of Peace on the 21st of June 1996. Nze E.N. Okoli continued his leadership mission and vision till 2002, when he rose to the throne as the paramount ruler and king of a kingdom, as the only one of a king, and so he was until his death. Death is not the opposite of life, but it is part of it. We mourn our leader and hero, our father, brother, and uncle, not because he's dead, but because of what he was for us. The man who saw tomorrow, the man who never raises his hand, but wins in every battle. His notorious style and presence are very protective. He was a strong pillar of the church in Lagos, though a Catholic, but he was in all other denominations' activities. Hence, the Holy Trinity Methodist Church Obiagu gave him an eldership title. What he was in his own faith cannot be overemphasized. His advancing roles in the church have always been the propeller of progress in the church. The rate of common justice and the unity and right of individuals and groups, encouraging all to embrace their identity and to seek self-actualization, a light through dim is still flickering. A member of the seven founding fathers of Umunnochi local government, was also a member of the Supreme Council and later resigned. He became the chairman of Umunnochi Traditional Rulers Council and was also the chairman of Umunnochi Health Management Committee and a member of the PCRC. His Royal Highness S.A. Enokoli JP was a classic man, a proud phenomenon, and a once-in-a-generation genius. He placed much of investment in his family. He has a large heart for a large family. His famous question is, how close to the inside are you? He devoted much of his time to his family, ensuring that they are always united and peaceful. He was married to late Florence Ugodia Okoli and later to Ugweze Happiness Okoli. And he survived with sons, daughters, wife, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren. May his soul rest in perfect peace.
All right, that was a wonderful funeral oration by the prince. I quote, quality of his candor and eminence of his character, he was appointed a paramount ruler of a particular kingdom. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. As we are almost the right time, I want to call on people from Omuma.
They go.
Jumbo guest, Chief and Lolo Jumbo Okonkwo, Onogagana Mbara, people from Omuma most especially, Onogaga Nambara. While we recognize Comrade Ifeanyi Nwabuko Iguano and the award dance from Iguano Umuahia, care of Mwamaka Nerissa. Chief and Lolo Richard Obani will say welcome. Akune Sobike one of Amaba Ime Umuahia. Elder George Ondovo all the way from Enugu State, Redemption Church Worldwide. Members of the Evangels Schools Teachers, Enugu State, led by Mrs. Azoro, and members of the Nigerian Army, Navy Special Forces will say you're welcome. Chief and Lolo Iherahu Gala Akaju Go one of Omuma, Sunshine Industries dealer, most dealer on plastic nylons, is a Christopher Ejike Port Harcourt based, Lolo Vivian Marulo Okafo, and a host of others, all the way from Omuma. We also appreciate the Divine Solution Praise by and Obiagu Legacy Progressive Union by Comrade Francis Nwafo. We also say welcome, sir. The Director of News and Current Omenala Dika Onye Chire Chichi Dika Onye Gara